I'm going to share with you my version of this delicious dish. Easy to prepare and cook chicken rice with cinnamon. It is full of flavor and texture. Preparation is easy, it's all cooked in one pot, less washing up to do. All you need to prepare is 200 grams of carrots, which you cut into juliens or thin strips, 1 large chicken breast sliced then cut into thin strips, 1 medium-sized onion chopped. Rest of the ingredients are 1 tin of cooked chickpeas, 300 grams of pre-washed long grain white rice, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon black pepper and 1 teaspoon salt. Place a cooking pan on the stove, add a little oil and fry the chopped onions until tender and translucent. Then add the strips of chicken and fry for a few minutes until lightly cooked. Then add the carrots. Mix well, frying for a minute or so to release its flavors. Then add the washed and drained chickpeas that need no cooking and mix. Then add the cinnamon, salt and pepper and mix well. Add the rice on top of the mixture and then add the chicken stock, just covering the rice. Simmer on medium heat for 20 minutes until the rice is cooked and the stock is absorbed. When cooked, cover the pan with a large flat dish and turn over. Serve a portion onto a plate, sprinkle with chopped parsley. Enjoy this easy to prepare and cook chicken rice with spices. And please subscribe to my channel to follow new recipes.